She's fine, you know. She's become bigger now.
Yeah, that's
She's
good.
become bigger because
Good for you.
yes,
Good for you. You will gain more strength after lifting her.
you know, she's very good in eating baboy.
Well, part of life.
Baboy.
Part of life. You know. In a long time I joined Baboy, but I'm planning to buy only one and a
Ay,
But
si-
me, I
Kisa man na si
decide,
Sin?
Ano?
I decide to not eating baboy because you know
guys, drive.
I saw the
Okay.
news that the baboy there's a germ
Yeah.
that cannot be killed by the fire. Yes, cannot.
Not the germ, the devil germs. Because that's where the devil go.
Uh,
Kabulong ako mo drive guys.
I convinced to not eating baboy.
Karoon ako nag-practice guys, pero kabalo na ako mo drive.
To the Baboy, but
Tikal guys, tikal.
Tikal bitaw, pero kabalo naman.
everybody love the devil, so they love the
Oh,
Very
yes.
good.
You know, that's my favorite meat, baboy. But when
How are you faster?
Okay na yan, pwede na ako pang highway
Fine.
Oh,
fine,
Yeah.
dali na
but
kayo.
you know,
Dali kay ka na improve.
Sigat si ate.
you know the situation of Filipino pastors.
Kasi tigahiyag yun.
Tikuwang na, tikuwang.
Hello, Pastor Jim.
You have a people there. Why
Oh, PWD ka po?
Yeah, because
Authorized.
we are traveling. I ride
Authorized.
in the taxi.
Okay.
Tug, tug, yes, tug, yes,
Koreano.
together with my
Dito pa na.
friend,
Des halit
Pastor
bagnet.
Peter, Mary Jane, my wife.
Okay. Well, you have a great day, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Tanaw sa ko na.
Take care.
Roting.
You teach me how to speak English.
I have my brand new phone now, so
Oh, thank you.
they will work.
Oh, how about
Where's
me?
your old phone?
I know how to speak English but not totally speak well.
Again, in 2021, I did not work anymore.
Oh my God.
Because of nothing, everything is locked. So I want to fix again so if I can get back the memory.
Yes.
But I don't have it, my friend have it for me. So,
If you buy a new one, just if you buy a new one, just offer it to my associate pastor in Agusan.
Diretso ya? Late.
Oh, highway na ta.
Ganyan.